Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the light hooks and the yarn. So I have the video in here. I'm going to load the comments. Okay, so there was 527 new unique users found. I'm going to randomly pick the winner. And the winner is Jennifer Manning. Okay, congratulations. And what you need to do is you can contact me 3 different ways. So you can give me your information and I can send you the giveaway. I have my email listed down below. You can message me that way, or you can comment down below with your information and I approve all messages, or you can message me through YouTube messages. Okay, so thank you everybody for participating. Congratulations, and thank you for subscribing. And I have another giveaway, which is that tote bag coming up. And I might have to redo a few giveaways for the yarn that wasn't claimed yet, because I give it about a week or so, and both of those haven't been claimed yet. So look out for that. I might have to redo those. Okay, so thank you everybody for participating.